So let's get into the courses, right? At UID, what do you offer? What are the courses, the specializations, with a focus on what you are planning to do in Bangalore?
So, see, you have to understand before I start answering this question that design as a course over the years has evolved like anything.
Right, bilkul.
With IDC coming into the picture, there was a time when people used to say, if you want to do design, go to NID.
Right.
Or go to NIFT.
Correct, correct.
For
Yes.
fashion.
Yes, yes. Default choices.
Default choices. Now we know more than 5 IITs have started. IIT Bombay was the first to start it. IDC is the name of the college. So what IITs have done is they have created the B design course more on the technical side.
Right.
And what I feel is that this is the era of technology.
Correct.
Right. अभी छोटे-छोटे बच्चे they are not sketching with colors that we used to do.
Yes.
They are sketching on
iPads, correct, and creating beautiful outcomes.
Yes. I have 2 or 3 year old. So I think what is very important at this point of time is that the design college has to be technologically very, very advanced. Otherwise, the design students will be left behind. So we have tried to create the best technology and Bangalore, of course, being the capital, technology capital of India, I would say. We intend to have a lot of our brain coming in from here because the entire city is full of technology people. And SVSI University, of course, the wonderful campus. We are inside the IT park. That itself is all around we have corporates here, and we are looking forward to invite a lot of people and share their wisdom with us, and trying to take the entire designing from creativity to technology creativity, technology based creativity.
Right.
Which is the need of the hour.
Or where technology meets creativity.
Absolutely. Now today, creativity is not just painting or sketching.
Yes.
Today creativity, it can change. एक टाइम पे जब लता मंगेशकर जी गाना गाती थी तब उनका सब लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग होता था. किशोर कुमार जी जब गाना गाते थे, आज टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर्स आ गए हैं, आज ऑटो ट्यूनर्स आ गए हैं. तो आज जो गाना गा रहे हैं, जो नए न्यू एज सिंगर्स हैं, इनका एक्चुअल वॉइस तो कुछ अलग है. जो आप सुन रहे हैं एक डाउनलोड करके अपने स्पॉटिफाई पे, that quality is completely different than what the actual singer is, क्योंकि वो already manipulate हो गया है. And I'm talking about the best of singers. ये सब चेंज आ रहा है जो कि टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से ही आ रहा है. एंड आई थिंक वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फॉलो द ट्रेंड.
इनफैक्ट मैं आपको इसमें एक चीज और ऐड करके बताता हूँ. अभी कल ही मैंने एक रील देखा एंड आई वाज आल्सो सरप्राइज्ड. एक बहुत सुपर वायरल स्पिरिचुअल सॉन्ग व्हिच इवन गवर्नमेंट्स वर यूजिंग इन देयर रील्स got to know that it was not human created, it was AI created song.
Absolutely.
And it has got almost, I think, 25 or 30 million views.
सर अभी कॉलिंग भी है, ये AI कॉल सेंटर्स जॉब्स खत्म हो जाएंगे.
राइट.
आज कॉल सेंटर एक बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है जो कि इंडिया में बहुत अच्छा एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट करती है.
बिल्कुल.
AI बॉट्स आ गए हैं जहाँ पे जितने भी इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर की कॉलिंग हो रही है, एजुकेशन भी अडॉप्ट करेगा कुछ दिनों में. All these human calling will change to bot calling. And in bots का क्या है, their information is unlimited. क्योंकि इनको तो गूगल से निकालना है. Human तो फिर भी error कर सकता है. ये error नहीं करेंगे, and with time they will learn.
और उससे भी ज्यादा ये कि पहले जब AI कॉल आता था तो आप डिटेक्ट कर लेते थे.
अभी
recently I got a call and I was surprised.
आप कर नहीं पाएंगे.
Right. It's as actual as.
Absolutely. So technology, I think, is the backbone of any education system today. मतलब, in fact, UID is the first college which has launched a course on AI in creative practice, for example. So AI के तो बहुत courses हैं. B.Tech में AI कई सालों से चल रहा है. AI, ML, specialization, काफी lot of people doing it. That is more on the technology side of the AI. But then the AI system also needs a designer. And we've launched that with Swinburne University, Australia, where the student is also getting the opportunity of doing one semester in the university campus. They are one of the pioneers in this. And we are the first university in the country, including government, private, anybody, to launch this program, which is on AI in creative practice. So we are always trying to do something new and something what Western earlier. there was a decade of difference between Western technology and Indian technology.
Correct.
Now it is less than months.
Less than a month.
And in our case, we are at par, I think, because we do a lot of research. A lot of our people keep traveling to different universities across the globe. Our president himself is a very well-traveled man, and we traveled very often to all the developed countries, the Western world, to see what are the new changes, and we try and adopt them as much as possible.
Right. I think this is fantastic insight, and where you see a brilliant minds meet education is what I'm seeing here, right? And then the biggest thing what I've observed so far is the adaptability, right? People do a lot of things, but then they also have some resistance.
Absolutely.
What if? But you have removed that what if barrier.
And the new age, the students of this age, they don't have any resistance. And they want to explore anything new.
Right.
You know, my 12-year-old is probably better handled. There are times when I get stuck somewhere in my phone and I give it to her.
Right.
And she does the so you have to understand that our brains are lesser than the new generation's brain. But they don't have the insight. They don't have the experience.
Correct.
We are more experienced.
Right.
So we just try to pivot their ways, and we just try to show them the way.
Right.
They are more smarter than what we are, for
Very
sure.
true. Very true. And born with technology.
And especially with technology. I am still, I would say, not so conversant with technology the way my daughters, if I see they are. So I think it's a need of the hour, which every university will have to eventually.
Very true.
We are doing it now, and there'll be some people who will probably follow us.